Hello everyone, this is Linda. I'm the Overseas Sales Manager of LUOYANG TENG Electrical Equipment Company Limited. TENG is a top leading golden supplier in the metallurgical industry. Today I'm very glad to introduce our factory to you. So far, TENG Company have members over 60 persons, land area about 6,000 square meters. We have over 10 years exporting experience. Our main product have induction melting furnace, induction heating furnace, metal casting equipment, steel rolling equipment. We have exporting our goods to over 35 countries around the world. To Europe, we have delivered to Russia, Ukraine, England, Ireland, Poland, Croatia, Bulgaria, and Germany. To Asia, we delivered to Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, Mongolia, Armenia, Iran, Iraq, Qatar, Kuwait, Azerbaijan, Lebanon, Oman, Vietnam, Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, South Korea, etc. To America, we deliver to USA, Mexico, Brazil, Colombia, Argentina, Paraguay, Chile. To Africa, we deliver to Nigeria, Kenya, Ethiopia, Zimbabwe, Togo, Mali, Egypt, Algeria. TENG is professional on small and medium capacity rebar production line for customers. From the feasibility report study to factory construction design, electrical design, and equipment manufacture, after-sales installation, and maintenance service. We focus on providing customer the turnkey project. We have real projects in Africa, Middle East, South Asia. We also have the steel pipe coating production line to do the epoxy powder painting for steel anti-corrosion line. We have the nearly 5 meter deep water pipe coating project in China, Guangdong province. What I want to say is, please trust us. TENG is a professional manufacturer with rich experience in our industry. We have great faith to provide customers the qualified equipment and best service. Normally, after market research, over 95% claimed will choose TENG. This is related to our philosophy, quality is number one. We always insist on the best raw material before production. For each machine before delivery, our engineer will test and debug it, make sure the machine can work well on the customer side. And we spend much on the machine technology development to make the operation, maintenance get more easier. And many clients will place second or third order to us, even introduce a new client to buy our machine. I believe this can prove that our equipment is recognized by the market. Under the impact of COVID-19, the overseas service may not convenience as before. Therefore, TENG also made good effort on this issue. We have developed some local installation team, actively contacting with overseas partners to ensure the smooth going of customer project installation. We have also invested a bunch of money to build a remote after-sales monitoring system, can help customers remote setting the machine data, easily solve the technical problems. As a technology-based production enterprise, Hongteng hopes to provide with more advanced, simpler, and safer equipment in the metallurgical industry. At the same time, we also hope to make some contributions to the scrap metal recycling line and create more value at the same time. Hongteng is professional in metal hard processing equipment. We focus on providing customers the quality equipment and super service.